I'm actually really happy to see the progress that's being made around women's health. It's always been very underfunded and there hasn't been enough research, but we're definitely getting better at recognizing this. And also there's so many trends around women's health that I found have worked for me within the wellness space, like cycle syncing, seed cycling, even just normalizing going to therapy. It's so important, and I think it's a great time to be a woman in wellness. I think there's so many amazing women out there that are part of this community, and connecting with them has been one of the most rewarding things.
Also, do you think in time you're hosting this event and maybe in coming future it will be become an annual thing?
Yes.
So, how do you think? Do you think it this such events help people in understanding wellness and not just mentally, physical as well? Because there are yoga thing going on with kids, with other people. So, how do you think that? Or how do you
Yeah,
think
I do think that it makes wellness more accessible to people, because then they also see that it's not just about lifting weights at the gym. There's so many forms of wellness, and it's also just about finding what works for you and what feels right for you. So at the festival, you can try out many different things like yoga or animal flow and so many different kinds of activities. So it's about finding the right thing for you, and I feel that this festival gives you a lot of options for that.
So what is the mission with the whole Jungli Wellness Festival?
My mission is to make wellness fun and accessible to as many people as possible through the festival, as well as my brand Jungly Delights, and show them that wellness doesn't have to be boring.
So how do you see the whole idea of pets being included? Because not at many places pets are being involved. So what do you want to say on that?
So, you know what? The thing is, people, when we come out, when we go out for events, when we go out for office, we always have to leave our dogs outside. We always have to leave our dogs inside at home alone. And I, for one, absolutely love that we can take our dogs outside somewhere where they can make friends, where they can have treats. There's water bowls outside. I think this is a very nice concept. Honestly,
Lastly,
amazing.
how do you see wellness? Because not many people see wellness in a particular way. So
Yeah.
now that it is being showcased in a manner where people are being more open to the idea, what do you want to say on that?
I think this makes me feel better about humanity itself, because, wellness as a concept is something we all need in our life. We all need to practice these practices. We all need to be fit and healthy. We all need a place where everybody can just kind of do things that make them feel better about themselves. So I think, yeah, that's
Thank you.
wellness.
This is your second time. So first of all, how do you see such events being hosted? Do you think it helps people in a larger way?
I think the one comparison between last year and this year that I've seen is that last year there were a lot more people curious to see what a wellness carnival would entail. Now that I'm looking around, I've been to the stalls, I see a lot more intent. People are mindful about the time they're spending here. So I think the community has become smaller, but it's people who are genuinely interested in wellness, because it's still a concept that India in general is yet to grasp. So, but definitely way more intent. The stalls are busy. People are interested in knowing more about wellness, at least now.
Yes. Also, we have seen that this event is very inclusive, not just for people, kids, but for pets as well. So, how do you see the whole idea of it?
I have a golden retriever myself, so I'm a big pet fan. I think it just makes it easier. Sometimes you want to spend the Sunday with your family. I've gotten my mum here with your pet. So it's nice when, it's all inclusive. Everybody has something to do here and look forward to. So I think it's a very well curated event.
Lastly, what about wellness you want people to know more, to understand more?
I think largely in our country, people only get worried once you have a fever or an illness. But there are 1,001 ways to sort of, stop that from happening. And I think Ananya is doing a great job at making India more aware of the importance of wellness.
And so I started then telling my friends, I still haven't told everyone, and then I realized they all also happen to have therapists, but it is something we never talked about, despite talking about pretty much everything else. So my aim today is to talk to you and understand a little bit more about therapy and sort of just normalize it.